Not a very pleasant bottle sound. Anyway, today I have another hot sauce video for you guys. I'm very excited about this one because I've seen this hot sauce before and I didn't have any interest before in it, but I just want to try it at this point. I've seen it with the fish thing on here. I never even read these. Like when I'm at the grocery store, I just kind of zip through that area. You know, I don't generally buy a lot of like grocery store hot sauce. I like getting things online and like getting things from other people. I've traded for hot sauce before. But I see this all over the place. So I know it's available. So it's time to try it. All right. And there's different flavors. There's different versions of this. This is the original, I believe. So this is Camouflage Hot Sauce. All right. There's a camouflage cover on the top there. I'm going to read the bottle here because I don't understand the whole fish reference. The actual fish itself is the words Hank sauce. Hank. Who's Hank? What's the story with Hank? So let's see. First off, gluten-free, 0 calories. So that's good. The ingredients are Hank base, which is aged peppers, distilled vinegar, salt, and xanthan gum. In addition, there's also wine, garlic, salted butter, which in this case is sweet cream and salt. There's also cilantro, and it says it contains milk, well, because of the butter. So that seems really fascinating. Those ingredients really, like I was at the store, and I picked it up, I'm like, what is this all about? I looked at it, I'm like, those are weird ingredients. So I definitely am interested in what this tastes like. This is either going to be like a home run or just total crap when you have ingredients like that. All right, so shake well. Obviously it goes on anything. Made in the Garden State, which is fantastic. As you can see here, let's see, Sea Isle City, New Jersey. So there you go. So it's a Jersey sauce. Now you think I would know what Hank was or Hank sauce. I'm from Jersey, but I'm from North Jersey. This is not North Jersey. So anyway, yeah, let's see what I said. I mean, it shows you. I mean, like every advertising, what does it go good with? Everything. I mean, they have a cow, a chicken, a pig. They have a dinosaur, fish, pizza, pretzels, eggs, bowl of soup. So yeah. Gives food attitude. Sweet, tangy, and zesty. Camouflage is accompanied by a slight hidden heat. Interesting. To your favorite barbecue sauce or marinade, camouflage pairs exceptionally well with meats, smokers, grills, and slow cookers. Try it on burgers, wings, steaks, pulled pork, or anything else. And watch the sauce blend right in. So, refrigerate after opening. Anyway, let's get into this, right? So we have our camouflage top. I do dig the different bottle, the rectangular bottle. I mean, obviously all hot sauce is round. You have to have some kind of gimmick to kind of stand out at the store, whether you have an interesting label or in this case a completely different shaped bottle. All right, so screw top. Here we go. That smells delicious. That smells so good. Oh man, this brings me back. Like when I was trying hot sauce like hardcore, like people were sending sauces all the time from all around the country, all around the world. I had such an experience with so many different types of flavors. And like there was a small group of those hot sauces that were sent that it doesn't smell like hot sauce. It smells like a delicious condiment that has heat. Does that make sense? Like what is hot sauce? Hot sauce is basically vinegar and peppers, right? That's 90% of hot sauce on the market, period. Cheap hot sauce, right? Then you have these little gourmet places that make a delicious sauce that's a little hot. That's the difference. That's the key to a good hot sauce. It's not made to be hot sauce. You make a delicious sauce, and then you make it hot. This smells... Oh, man, there's like garlic in there. It smells buttery. It smells like, I almost think I could smell the wine that's in there. It's kind of like if you have... It almost smells like buffalo sauce in a way. Like a really buttery, rich buffalo sauce. If you've never tried that before, by the way, it's a heart attack waiting to happen, but melt butter, okay, like melt a whole stick of butter and mix that with probably a full cup, maybe 2 cups of, I'll say a cup and a half. That's a sweet spot. A full stick of butter and a cup and a half of your favorite buffalo sauce. Melt that together on heat, pour that in your wings. That will change your life. If you have chicken wings and you use buffalo sauce and you think that's delicious, oh my God. So where I got that from, by the way, is when I go to like a Chinese buffet and I have the, you know, they always have the little wings. The sauce is always really, really good. I asked someone once what they're putting in it. They said butter. So yeah, there's the trick or tip. But damn, this smells so good. All right, so we have a big open top. So I'm gonna stick my spoon right in here and scoop this up. Oh, and there's a chunk of garlic right on top. All right, so cheers. Okay, that's zestier than I thought. Wow. It is good. It does have a little heat. It has probably the same heat as like a Frank's Red Hot. Oh man, it's gonna make me sneeze. I gotta sneeze. Okay, I'm good. No, I'm not. You know, you avoid a sneeze. You gotta keep your eyes open, your head straight, your mouth shut. Don't sniffle. If you sniffle with your nose, you will absolutely sneeze. If you're trying, I mean, I feel like I have a runny nose, so I did that on accident. But anyway, all right, let's go in for another one. It smells, I mean, it tastes good. It smells so much better than it tastes. Almost like coffee. You know, like coffee's brewing, and you're like, damn, this is gonna be good, and you have it, and you're like, okay, it's coffee. All right, another spoonful. Yeah. So what's surprising to me is that this tastes more vinegary. It has more of a vinegar flavor than I thought it would, but it is good. The flavor is good. It's well rounded. It's not so like black and white, just vinegars and or vinegar and peppers. And it's making my mouth salivate. Like it has, I don't know, it has a decent amount of heat, but it's not going to kill you. It's not going to make you go grab a glass of water or anything like that. But it's good. It's really lip burning. It's concentrated on my lips and my tongue. Nothing in the throat at all. Maybe a little roof of the mouth kind of thing going on. The heat level is perfect, I think, for, you know, enjoying it on food. Obviously, you don't just have hot sauce by itself. But the flavor is richer. There's more going on there. The smell is phenomenal, but the taste is good. I give it a thumbs up. So I've been sleeping on this. You guys let me know. I don't remember the other flavors. I want to say one was like a fishy type thing or seafood related somehow. I don't know. Let me, I don't have my phone. I was going to look it up, but you guys can Google it. Camouflage Hot Sauce. You let me know what the other ones were. But I remember them just being like not sounding as good as the original. I want to try the original first. So anyway, there you go. Interesting. Very good. I would 100% recommend this for a grocery store hot sauce. I'd recommend this over Frank's Red Hot for flavor, you know, over the Crystal Hot Sauce, over, you know, the regular Tabasco sauce, that kind of stuff. This has more to it. Same heat level, if not just a touch more than those guys, but it's just offering more. And this was still, I want to say $6. It's a fairly large bottle. I mean, this is 8.5 ounces. So it's reasonable, and it's at the grocery store. I'm assuming if it was at my grocery store, it's probably at your grocery store. I'm trying to focus on some of these hot sauces that are accessible. Like I could try hot sauce and be like, this is amazing, but you know, people don't generally want to like hop on Amazon or hop on, you know, some website and order it and pay shipping and all that kind of stuff. I mean, Amazon obviously is a lot of free shipping, but you know what I'm saying, right? If you can get it at your local grocery store, you remember this video, maybe next time you're shopping, you walk past and go, oh yeah, I remember Jeff was talking about that Hank sauce, that camouflage sauce, so let me give it a go. That's why I'm trying this kind of stuff, right? So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. Let me know in the comment section, of course, if you've had this and what you think of it, but just definitely a notch above your run-of-the-mill, you know, grocery store stuff. So one of the better choices there for sure. Hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video.